friends. So I know I just did a Mind the Scrap haul. I know I just did like 2 seconds ago, but that one came super late, and this one came super early because the owner of Mind the Scrap went on a vacation. So she sent out scrappy goodies early to people that paid it on a certain day. So I like to get my goodies, so that's how that went. So let me show you what is in this one. I didn't even clear off my desk. I came downstairs all excited to show you what's what. So this, I get all 5 kits. So it's the main kit, the pattern paper kit, or the paper kit, the embellishment kit, the, let's see, main kit, paper kit, embellishment kit, mixed media kit, and the Bujo kit, which is for bullet journal. So let me show you the papers in the main kit, and we'll go from there. So, oh, you know, I can show you the not as exciting but not exciting part. So let me show you that first. All right, so every month we get a sheet of black cardstock, a sheet of colored cardstock, and a really sturdy sheet of white cardstock, which I generally will do. Oh, look at, I'm wearing a very neon sweatshirt. Let me try to get that out of the way. Okay, colored cardstock this month is Navajo, I believe, and it is like teal. So we'll put that there. The next is, like I said, just, you know, your nice medium weight black cardstock, and I have 2 because I get the paper pack as well as the regular, and then super sturdy white cardstock. Our first pattern paper is by Cocoa Vanilla Make a Wish. So it's birthday themed, but you can cut this out for wonderful, hello, you know, you can cut out the words just fine, and it does not have to be birthday themed. Now the back side of it, let's take a look, because I have a feeling I'll be using a lot of the back side. So absolutely great, deep teal, little plus signs. I am loving that. The next paper I have is by Pink Paisley, Lucky Us number 6, which is a very vibrant, gorgeous, kind of, there's some distressed parts, but not all, so it's kind of good. It looks a little mucky. Vibrant, bright, happy colors. I love that color palette. And the back side has all these little candy bits. So I guess I could go like this and have all those. So little candies. I really prefer this one. So right now I'm preferring the back sides. The next paper I am going to pull out. Come on, little paper. It is Pebbles A Happy Cake Day. So, and this one's called Birth Yay, and it's 2x2 squares of mostly birthday things, although I'm liking the happy little avocado holding a cupcake or ice cream cone. That's a very important thing. I like that guy. Love the little cupcake because I like Cupcake Station. Hooray, I can use for all kinds of things. So yeah, definitely could do a cute little cupcake layout. Look at the snail with the birthday cake on his back. Now my only issue is, aside from making cards, all of our birthdays are May, June, and July in this house. It's a thing. Okay, backside is a super usable, gosh, it's almost a mac and cheese yellow, so it's a deeper yellow. Next paper I have is Hearts and Hearts. It's Pink Paisley Lucky Us number 4, and it is just hearts and hearts and hearts and hearts and hearts, which is pretty cool. The back side of that one is these X's and O's, which are very cool. I love a bold black and white. And then we have Chamel's Field Trip Don't Bug Me, which is adorable with all these cute little buggy bugs, bringing in a lot more of that teal aqua tone. Backside to that is just this really great floral. This is a very interesting kit, but it's lots of bright colors. After all the Christmassy ones, that's kind of cool. And then the last paper is Pebbles Happy Cake Day with all of these little critters popping out of cakes. And the back side to that is just this really nice kind of baby pink with every color confetti and a really nice, almost indigo branding strip. All right, so then the goodies that come with that are Alpha. Ooh, it's foam. It's called Cedar foam letter stickers. They are thickers. We have numbers and alphas, and it is a fabulous skinny wood grain. Those are the bee's knees. The next thing we have is this Pebbles Icon ephemera pack. There's 40, and let's see, there's 10 with foil and 30 cardstock. Now these are very, very, very birthday-y, because that's going to be a word right now. So it's going to be hard to use a lot of them. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a taco holding hands with an avocado, and that makes me very happy. So I'm going to do my best to work through this kit. The only problem I'm going to have is that, yeah, I don't have birthdays coming up. So a lot of the ephemera might be waiting and holding on. So we got, the last thing we have are, these are rub-ons. They're Hello Dreamer, and they are kind of holographic. Are you picking that up? Rainbow holographic. There's 2 sheets. Now come up a little bit like that. I don't know if it's going to be clear enough, but those are the 2 sheets that are in there, and they're definitely rainbowy. So that I can use. The birthday stuff's a little trickier. Okay, so my next kit, let's do the embellishment kit. And there are a few different things in here, so let's see what we've got in here. Everything gets packaged nicely, which is good because it looks like I have an exploded embossing powder. All right, now I saw these when Emma showed them to us, and I was like, oh. All right, they're Pebbles Puffy Dots. Do you see that number? How many puffy dots are in there? So they look like enamel dots, but they're puffy stickers. And they are like a rainbow, absolute rainbow of happiness, including metallic gold. So yes, the happiness is mine with those. The next thing we have is a hot pink tape. I think it's by the same brand as this one, this Hello Dreamer brand. And it says I can't even over and over on it. Really nice little hot pink tone. Are we going to just get a glare? Why do we have to have a glare, people? Why? Oh gosh. All right. Well, the I can't even, hopefully you can see it. The next thing by Hello Dreamer are these little plastic clippy things, and they're pretty chunky dimensional. I don't know how I feel about that. Hopefully they're just glued onto the back so I can pop them off. Let's see, glitter icon clips. So we have crowns, we have unicorns, and clouds. Although that kind of looks like a planet. Maybe it's supposed to be a planet. I don't know what that is. Do you guys know what that is? I don't know what that is. Okay, but it's cute. And then finally in that kit, we've got the Schmel Field Trip 40-piece ephemera pack. And I still have a bunch of the stickers to this, and I also have those little tiny silver alphas. So I'll be able to resurrect that and hopefully get some traction on it again. So that is fun. Lots of fun pieces in that set. All right, so next, let me show you this, which I'm slightly terrified. It's a mixed media kit. Terrified because I have an extremely exploded. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to flick it off. Embossing powder. Okay, so we have the Bow Bunny wall-to-wall texture stamp. There's 3 of them. This looks like kind of like a messy regular brick wall, a stone wall, and this looks like a wooden like slat wall kind of thing. So that is cool. So I have that. Let me show you how exploded this is. I mean, it came from another country. I can't complain that much. And it's all still contained in the little bag. So that is cool. Next, we have, look at, it is turquoisey. I have a Heidi Swap Color Shine. I'm going to just take it right out so I can toss this little box in hot pink. I actually don't think I have Heidi Swap Color Shine in hot pink. Hold on, let me see. Do I not have this? I have raspberry. I have pink. I have sweet cinnamon, or I have primrose, sweet Terry, I do not actually have this Heidi Swap Color Shine in hot pink, so that's cool. And then finally, this little guy who decided to cause all the trouble in my bag. Oh, the lid's not on super tight. Okay, got it. Which is fine because I have plenty left. I've got this embossing powder. It's Moxie. It's opaque and it's an aqua, and it is gorgeous. So we are choosing not to save this handy dandy little bag. I'm gonna put that away. And I have this, which is not even messy any longer. And then finally for the Bujo kit, it is pretty cool. We will start with, let's see, the alphas. I had these once upon a time. I know it's an older alpha, 2015. So they're the Heidi Swap puffy stickers, but they are a metallic teal, which is a great pick for this kit. I have the Pebbles accent stickers for Let's Eat Cake. Hedgehog with balloons tied to them. Got a little giraffe with balloon animals. So these are adorable. Once again, I am going to see what I can use from them. I feel like I need to go to Cupcake Station. And then some of these pieces might get put away for my May and June layouts. Next, I have Hello Dreamer die cut cardstock shapes. Oh, there's 41 pieces. And here is what is in here. They're ever so cute. I guess you can see it better right here. Like if I bring it down more and go like that, let's see. Because my light's a little bit more down here. Very cute. There, I see a cute little narwhal there, and a narwhal here. My youngest daughter got a narwhal tea diffuser. That might have to happen. I have a picture of her drinking from it. So those are super cute. Oh look, there's a poop emoji. Very important. Okay, so I have that. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. Okay, two more things. I have Happy Cake Day. It is a 6x8 paper pad. Last month we got a 6x6. All the rest of them have been 6x8, which I like the 6x8 size. I feel like I don't have to be as precious about the cuts and all that kind of thing. 6x6, you have to plan a little bit. Or at least I have to. Sorry that this was not open ahead of time. I was so excited that I just wanted to get to it. Okay, so it's a Happy Cake Day. Pebbles, there is gold foil, and there's 18 designs. So I'm gonna go through them. I'm gonna go back out. Come on, there we go. I'm gonna go through them to take a look. Oh, they're single-sided, and you know how I'll use a white background. So this is gonna be great for the birthdays. Again, we're gonna see how much I get done. All kinds of birthday words like have an awesome birthday, go wild, cute little tags, time to celebrate I can use, and that cheerful sloth. This is just a great design. This one's definitely birthday. This is a repeat of what I have over there. Cute little florals. This looks like a Christmas paper. Little balloons. Birthday candles with the nice foiling. Hip hip hooray. Cute scallopy bits. A cut apart. Excuse me. So this is kind of like that mac and cheese yellow with gold foil. Cupcakes. Like I literally need to go to the Cupcake Station and have a moment with it. I have sprinkles, party little hats. I've got these really great looking stripey bits, which I love that. Now, is this the same thing I had in the beginning? I believe that's it. Oh, and then the very last thing I received was, it's a Hello Dreamer multicolor pen. So I think it's one of those like old school like journaling pens. Let me toss that. We've got a handy dandy little unicorn charm, very important. Do you remember these that have all those little ink pens in there, and you just pop out the one that you're digging like that? Aren't they hilarious? So that will be fun to play with. Let's see, I have black, red, yellow, lime green, blue, and pink. So that is the end of my kit. I hope you like what I have here. Now, I don't know how much I'll be able to get done with this till, like I said, we have May, June, and July birthdays in our family. So I have no idea, but we'll just see how it goes. All right, bye, friends. We'll see you.